This is Code.org. Let's see what we have here. Once you define a function, you can call it over and over again, whenever and wherever you want. Try this code to see how it works, then change it to make your own impressive design. Okay, so I'm going to hit run here. Wow. So what a function is allowing us to do, guys, is let me zoom out just because there's a ton of code here. So this function here is a chunk of code. And what it is happening here is when I say my design, the computer says, what on earth is that? And it has to hunt. It says, I don't know what that is. Blah, 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 over here, blah, 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 smack. And it finds this. And it says, oh, I guess I have to run this code. And then because of this line, it runs through all of this. So 10 times, wow, this is complicated. 4 times, I move forward by 150. I do all of this stuff. Once I've done all of this stuff in red, right, because we have the color being red here. Once I do all of this, I hit the bottom, I loop 10 times, I hit the bottom, and it's like, okay, I'm done. I repeated all that. It then just runs this line that's here. And so I jump to the right. Plop. Let me get rid of this. Once I jump to the right, top right, I set the color to green, my design, zoop, schmack, and it runs through this again, creating that. Once it's done creating that, hits here, jumps to the bottom, and blue, my design, plop, zoop, does all that, goes beneath, jump to the bottom left, so I should be right here, and I set the color. Why don't we try doing, so I'm gonna do let's just throw a sticker down here. I feel like I should draw something because we set a color. Let's move forward. Let's see what this does. Oh, I'm going to turn though. It would be really nice if we could call this function, which would just be to write its name, but they didn't actually give us that option. Ha ha ha. Okay, I love that. And we can change it, as it says here, to make our own design. So, yeah, what if we go? I'm liking this. Let's go forward, I don't know, 175. And, oh, let's go right 91. And I want to repeat this 5 times. I'm just messing around. Let's see what it does. This is fun. Oh, I kind of like this. Ooh. Okay. Now I'm going to do a random color. Yeah. Oh, but we set the color. That would make me feel guilty. Okay, let's do nah, I'm going to leave that. Okay, I like my design. It is beautiful. Okay, I'll make a few. Oh, I actually like that even more. Obviously, you should just have fun with this. I am. So, cool. Beautiful. Onward.